dear subscribers, that I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you just open Facebook app and you have no internet connection on your Facebook app on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. Just go to the settings, just find here Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn off very few seconds and just turn on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes it also helps. And another option you can try, if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off very few seconds and just turn on again your cellular data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode very few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just find here, just scroll down, just find here reset and just tap on reset network settings. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try the latest method. So just go to the general in the settings and just find here software update, just tap on it now, just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install them. Just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your iPhone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.